Hey everybody, today I've got a 1999 F150 two-wheel drive with the 4.2 liter V6 in it. The guy came in here and said, hey, my belt broke, can you put a new belt on it? So he left it. So came in and we ordered a new belt for it. Luckily we didn't put it on yet. So what I always like to do is I took this off, and first thing you want to do is you want to spin over all the pulleys to make sure that everything is free. So everything looks free. And then I got over to the alternator. The alternator's locked up. That's why the belt broke. The other two pulleys down there are okay. So if you have a car that the belt breaks, just don't stick another belt on it. Make sure all the pulleys are free. This one is not free, so if you would have put a belt on it, you would have ruined your brand new belt. Also, something else I'm going to do on this one is we take, I don't have, where's, here it is, I got it. We always take a wire brush and wire brush out the pulleys, because what happens is you'll get belt buildup in these pulleys and it'll cause the belt to make noise. So if you clean these out with a wire brush or a wire wheel, you have a better chance of the belt not making noise. And we'll also clean up the pulleys here that run backwards. But that's what we do here. And then of course, since this belt locked up, there might be, it melted the belt, so it's possible that there might be some belt stuck in the in one of the pulleys, but I think it's going to be stuck in the alternator. So we'll replace the alternator so we don't have to worry about cleaning that. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the negative battery cable like the boy's already done, disconnect the wires, and then get the alternator out of here. All right, everybody, just a real quick one. We just wanted to show you that, you know, if the belt breaks, there's usually a reason, and the reason on this one is that the alternator locked up. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like our really quick automotive videos.